What's good, y'all? It's your boy Roy. Day 2 of Vlogmas. Getting home from work pretty late. Man, it was a long day. Your boy is actually really tired right now. But thankfully, I got the notification earlier at work around 12. The mod is here. Yeah, as y'all can see from the title of the video, it is a carbon hood. So I'm really hyped up right now, y'all. Like, I'm a little tired right now from work, of course, but very hyped up. Real anxious to see how everything's gonna look now that we got the carbon trunk on. And now with the new carbon hood. This hood has definitely been bothering me like really bad with that little dent. But man, everything's finally tying together. Let's slap on the hood before we run out of daylight, y'all. Cause we only got about a good maybe hour of sunlight left, so definitely gonna want to try to rush this a little bit. It shouldn't take too long to put on the hood. Sheesh, your little bro about to help with the install. So it's just gonna be 2 T27 bolts on each side, 2 on the driver, 2 on the passenger, and that's literally it, y'all. Just to get the hood off. Just 2 bolts and then pop this off on both sides and it'll be good. So I already took off the latch from the old one. It's literally easy to get this latch off. It's just these 2 T27s. Literally just 1, 2, take them off and it comes right off, y'all. As y'all can see from the old hood, literally just those 2 bolts pops right off. All right, y'all. Hood is on. Here it is. Sheesh. Little sis about to turn on the lights. Can you turn them on?
Yep, right here.
Oh, just a little snowman? What about the lights?
Come on.
Okay, come on. Let's go.
The BMW.
Sheesh. Let's fire them up.
It's in the garage. I can't pull it.
Oh, it's in the garage?
Yeah.
It's all right. Maybe tomorrow, okay?
Oh.
High five. At least we got the snowman going.
This is the front of the BMW. The door.
Hold on, it's locked, Debbie. Okay.
This is inside of the BMW.
Look, we just got in a new part.
Oh, yeah.
What's that called? Do you know?
The BMW.
No, it's called carbon fiber.
It's the carbon fiber.
That one's locked again?
Yes.
I'm messing up the vid, huh?
And this
Sheesh.
is the passenger side.
The driver's side, Debbie.
Driver's side.
Sheesh. Whose car is this? Yours?
No, my brother's.
Who's your brother?
Right.
Alright, y'all. Making a quick stop at Target real quick. Just gotta get a couple things from work, you know, some drinks, stuff like that. Man, I can't get over it. It's just crazy to think that a carbon hood and a carbon trunk came within the matter of a month. Like, we're going insane in December, y'all. Like, this build is just coming together so fast. But yeah, anyways, we're just gonna head inside the Target real quick, and then we're gonna head down the street, maybe some warehouse with some good lighting. We're pulling into this warehouse. I'm pretty sure this is security. Hopefully they don't kick us out. We'll see what happens. Here we are, some decent lighting. Honestly, I was a little iffy on how the carbon would look with the black paint, but man, it definitely grew on me. It changed my mind initially because, I don't know, I feel like the carbon just ties in very well with the black paint. It still stands out in its very own way. I mean, it's carbon fiber, like, you cannot go wrong with it. Shout out to him. He's letting me stay. Appreciate you, bro. All y'all gotta do, bro, just, if you guys ever come in a private property or wherever you may be in their security, all you guys have to be is just respectful and courteous, y'all. Like, they're here to do their job. They don't know who you are. They don't know what you're doing here. Just let them know they're here to, you know, get some car content. 9 times out of 10, they'll let you stay, y'all. So shout out to him. He's letting us stay and continue the video. We're gonna have to figure out what logo we're gonna go with. Actually tonight I might order one online. If not, possibly tomorrow or the day after, I'm just gonna go to like a local BMW dealership and just get the OEM logo. So now that we got the hood in, y'all, there is 2 shows this weekend. One on this Saturday, one on Sunday. So the plan is to actually hit both of those. It's definitely gonna be nice finally getting this car out, you know, getting it washed up, taking it to a couple shows this weekend. So yeah, y'all, that's the plan for the end of the week. I'm really anxious just to see where this Vlogmas goes, because this is only day 2. The hood already came in. We already got the carbon trunk, y'all. So I feel like now it's just, the time now is just to go out and create content for y'all. Like the build is pretty nice, you know. It's not exactly where I want it. It's pretty close. It's time to go out, have some fun, link up with some people, hit some shows, hit some meets, and, you know, just create some banger content for y'all. I would say definitely a successful day 2 of Vlogmas. So this will be the end of today's video. I'll catch y'all tomorrow in day 3 of Vlogmas. I hope y'all have a good day. It's your boy Roy, and I'm out. Bow.
Ever took a chance when you was down to your last? In desperation, it'll serve you, set you free from your past. If all it takes is one shot, swear to God, I'm a blast.